Danobat is a cooperative founded in 1954. As such, it is currently part of the Mondragon Group, and also part of what is the Danobat Group. We have different lines of business, the most well-known being the manufacturing of grinding machines and lathes. And then we have machinery or special solutions aimed at different market niches. And little by little it has been evolving. And I would say that today it is a technologically leading company in its field, undoubtedly in Euskadi, but I believe also at the European and global levels, where we manufacture not only machines, but what we call solutions. I have been the Director of Innovation at Danobat for about 4 years. I lead the technological innovation part, R&D, but also the generation of new businesses within Danobat. What we saw was that there was increasingly more technology, data collection capabilities, working with that data, and it was a technology or a world we could not deviate from. And that is where we initially started to contact Xavi. What we saw did not degrade us. In the end, what we have seen is that, well, through the technology developed by Xavi, we have been able to first capture a lot of information very easily from all the machines we can send to customers. But then, once we had that information, the next challenges have been to generate services and products based on that information. What we ultimately seek for the customer is that by the end of the year, our machines have produced more and better, that they have stopped less, that they produce more at a lower cost, and that they are more efficient, energy efficient. All of this is what we are trying to convey to the customer. I believe that Sai knows a lot about data, knows more and more about machines as well. We know a lot about machines, and I think that this union and combination is what gives us added value that we are able to convey to the customer and the market. We have been implementing Xavi's solutions in our machines for years. The first thing to say is that I believe we have been able to sell more machines than before. It is difficult to quantify because, in the end, machines are sold based on various factors, one of which is this, but it is true that it has allowed us to have a differentiating position in the market compared to the competition, which is another point in favor of our machines. The customers themselves acknowledge that in those interventions we have made to improve production or improve processes, we have achieved clear improvements. In some cases, we have achieved improvements of 30 to 40% in the previous process, which has directly benefited many customers. Our ambition is for these numbers to grow, and the truth is that for 2022, we have a quite ambitious growth plan fundamentally based on those technologies, with the idea that all Arva machines incorporate them and that the sale of those solutions is massive to all IT clients.